Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a digital marketing agency profitably in 2023 using only the internet and a little known software called ChatGPT AI, artificial intelligence. It's going to blow your mind. Let's go. This is about to show you how powerful AI is. I'm displaying the link and I also have it down below so you can check this out. Even though this is artificial intelligence, it still uses prompts from you, the user, and it learns very quickly on what you're trying to accomplish. Hey, real quick, before we get too deep in this video, I am going to be giving away a free lead magnet on how to generate stealth wealth. I'm going to drop it at a very specific time in this video, so be on the lookout for that.
List 5 local small business niches that could work well in 2023.
I forgot to mention digital marketing, but let's see what it comes up with. Online tutoring, eco-friendly products and services, health and wellness. That's actually pretty smart because the top 3 niches or industries that you can make money online with are health, wealth, and relationships. So now I'm going to drill down because I'm really wanting to know 5 niches in local service-based businesses. So I'm going to give it that prompt. Number 1, local coffee shops. Number 2, personal fitness studios. Number 3, hair salon or barber shop. It's smart because that's a commodity, so it knows that no matter what happens in the world, you're still going to get your hair cut. Number 4, home repair or improvement services. And number 5, I like this one, pet grooming or daycare. Interesting. So let's go with one of these. What I'm going to show you here is it really doesn't matter what you choose. You can pick a random industry to go after in 2023, start a digital marketing agency to help that small business get more leads, get more clients, patients, customers. Depending on what niche, you're going to use different verbiage. I'm going to go with pet grooming. So now let's think, what's the next thing you need after you've chosen this niche of pet grooming? How about a name for your business?
Come up with a witty marketing agency name for pet grooming.
Pause and Polish Marketing Agency. Pretty good. Check this out. Come up with 5 more. I could have said 10. I could have said 20. It's going to kick out whatever you want it to kick out. Ferocious Marketing Company. Number 2, the Main Attraction Agency, Main, M-A-N-E. Number 3, Puppy Love Marketing Group. Number 4, Barkin Brand Agency. And number 5, Perfection Marketing Solutions. Let's see. I like the Main Attraction Agency. Main as an M-A-N-E, like a horse name. Let's use it. The next step would be threefold. Number 1, create a logo. Number 2, create a Facebook business page or any social media page. Number 3 would be to create an ad. How are we going to attract these potential pet grooming clients of ours? We're going to use social media and write an ad, but we're not going to write the ad. This thing knows copywriting. Let's tell it now.
Write a social media ad for this agency.
And I already know we're going to have to give it an additional prompt after this, but check out what it comes out with. Attention pet owners. Are you tired of your furry friend looking less than their best? Look no further than Pause and Polish Marketing Agency. Our team of professional groomers, blah, blah, blah. 2 things that I forgot to tell it. Number 1, it's writing an ad for 2 levels down, as if I already have these clients, right? This is an ad that I would write to help my new client who owns a pet grooming business to attract their customers. I'm not there yet. I'm still trying to attract these grooming companies to hire me to do their marketing services. So I have to tell this that. You don't even have to spell things right. I completely butchered the word potential and companies. Doesn't matter. It's going to tell you, oh, I apologize for misunderstanding your request. And then it's going to give it to me. Attention pet grooming business owners. Are you struggling to attract new clients and stand out in a crowded market? The Main Attraction Agency is here to help. Our team of marketing experts will help you reach your target audience and showcase your unique services from social media marketing. Okay, you get the point here. It even adds hashtags at the end of this. If you're going to use this on Instagram, this would be great. Pet grooming, marketing, small business. While this is great, this is a little bit plain Jane. So I'm going to ask it to add wit and humor. Didn't even put a space there. I completely butchered it. It won't matter. I promise you this is going to work, and it is. Attention pet owners. Is your furry friend's fur looking a little wild? Okay, it's still going 2 levels down, but that's okay. What you're going to want to do is open up another document. I recommend using Google Docs. Everything is free here. This is free. Google Docs is free if you have a Google account. You can start copying and pasting this for future reference. I still have to go back and give it the other prompt. Please use for my agency. That simple prompt is enough to tell it what I want, and it's going to give me a rendition here. And this time, I'm not going to do a little, what's called a jump cut. I'm going to let you see how long it takes for this thing to think and to give it to me in real time. So I'm just going to sit here and watch it. Positively perfect marketing. I would have to give it the prompt again that I've chosen that number 2. Attention pet owners and business owners. Are you in need of top-notch marketing services for your pet grooming business? I like it. Look no further than Positively Perfect Marketing. Our team of experts will help you reach your target audience and showcase your unique services, from social media marketing to website design. This is important. This chatbot is going to stay with me. It's going to learn, and it remembers everything that I've been talking about here. It's like you talking to a friend in a DM. They're going to remember what you said. This chatbot is the same thing. So I'm going to say, for clarity, moving forward, my agency is called the Main Attraction Agency, and I am trying to create ads to attract pet groomers. And after we get this ad, we're going to move on to the next part, which would be the landing page. When somebody clicks on an ad, they're going to go to a landing page. What is the headline going to say? What is that body copy going to look like? Okay, here we go. Understood. Here's the revised version. Great. Attention pet grooming business owners. Are you struggling to attract new clients and stand out in the crowded market? The Main Attraction Agency is here to help. Our team of marketing experts will help you reach a target. Okay, good. I like this last part. Don't let your competition steal the show. Okay, pet grooming, a lot of them go to shows. Add a lot more humor. So it's going to keep that same theme and how it's talking, but it's going to give it some more witty humor. You could even name drop. I could say, add more humor like Adam Sandler, or add some more humor like the comedian Bill Burr or Norm Macdonald. It's going to do it for you. So attention all pet grooming business owners. Are you feeling like the ugly duckling in a sea of competition? It's time to let the Main Attraction Agency give your business the makeover it deserves. That's awesome. Our team of marketing experts will help you stand out. Okay, let's see. Don't wait any longer. Contact us today. Let us help your business shine bright like a diamond. Okay, so that could be good. Check out these hashtags: pet grooming, marketing, small business, main attraction, grooming is our game. I mean, that's a pretty cool hashtag I might use all over the place. Grooming is our game. Again, you're going to copy and paste the things that you like.
Now I need a headline for the landing page.
I don't have to explain to them what a landing page is. It understands. I say they as if it's a person, but it really does feel like it's a person. So here we go. Headline: transform your pet grooming business with the Main Attraction Agency. Give me 5 more, make them even more witty. And now you just sit back and you let it do its thing. Number 1, pamper your pet grooming business with the Main Attraction Agency. Number 2, give your business the groom it deserves with the Main Attraction Agency. Number 3, get the woofing good marketing. What? Sometimes it misfires. Number 4, make your business the top dog with the Main Attraction. I like that. Number 5, bark up the right marketing tree with the Main Attraction Agency. I could ask it for 10 more, 20 more. Let's keep going.
Give me some amazing body copy that will entice them to want to work with me.
This will create the entire landing page for you. It will create the policy pages, the disclaimer page. You can give it whatever prompt you want. How do I lose weight in the next 30 days? What do you think about fasting for health? Help me write a memorable Christmas card for my wife. There's no end to what this can do.
You patiently waited. I have created a stealth wealth guide, and I have used ChatGPT to create the entire thing with a caveat. I gave it 5 prompts deep in order to get you the final product. It turned out awesome. I'm putting the finishing touches. I'm getting the cover made, all that kind of cool stuff. If you want this and you also want to learn exactly how I created it, click on the link on the screen. You're going to be taken to a landing page. Put your email in, and I will send you this ebook as soon as it's ready, and I will also send you the training that goes along with it absolutely free. Now back to the video.
Let's see what it came up with for the body copy. This top part is very similar to the ad, which is okay. You can keep it congruent. This next part is great for a specific section of my landing page. With services ranging from social media marketing to website design, we've got all of your marketing needs covered. We understand the unique challenges and opportunities that come with running a pet grooming business, and we're here to help you navigate them with ease. I don't even have to come up with what I'm going to be offering these people. Let's ask it to
Come up with a lead magnet for these business owners. They can grab on this landing page.
5 proven marketing strategies for pet grooming businesses. That would be a great lead magnet. And now it's going to explain it. As a pet grooming business owner, you know how competitive the industry can be. That's why we've put together this free lead magnet, 5 proven marketing strategies for pet grooming businesses. Inside, you'll find actionable tips and tactics. Y'all, it's giving this to me. So now, what do you think I'm going to ask next? Okay, list the 5 tips and give details. You can allow this to build your lead magnet for you, to write it out. Any part that you want to make more witty, add more humor, be more compelling, more intriguing, put those words in there. It will continually rewrite it to how you want it, make it sound like you. If you want it to sound exactly like you, write a couple paragraphs of what you would like it to sound like, and it will rewrite it in your own voice. If you want to give it a novel, you can copy and paste huge bits of text here so it can get the context of what you're looking for. I'm going to let this keep running here so you can see what it's coming up with for the 5 tips in this lead magnet. A good lead magnet is around 2,000 words of copy. So you can actually use this to generate the entire lead magnet. And now you give them a lead magnet. The next step would be to follow up with these pet grooming business owners with a very enticing email sequence to get them on a call with you. What do you think I'm going to do next? I'm going to ask it
to write a 5 email sequence with subject lines to attract these prospects further so they book a call with me.
Here we go. Email number 1, improve your pet grooming business with the main attraction agency. That would be the subject line. Email number 2, the main attraction agency, your partner in pet grooming marketing success. Email number 3, maximize your marketing. I can take that subject line, I can paste it here, and I can say, come up with the email body copy or biddy copy. I really need to learn how to type. Here we go. Dear prospect. Now, it will be a custom value. Whatever name they put into that lead magnet form is going to come here. Are you tired of feeling like the ugly duckling in a sea of competition in the pet grooming industry? It's time to give your business the boost it deserves with the main attraction agency. Our team of marketing experts has the skills and experience to help you. Okay, so this is going to be the first email. You can then ask it, write the second email, write the third email, write the fourth email. Here's a pro tip for you. Once I get to emails number 3, 4, and 5, I'm going to increase the scarcity and urgency. So I'm going to start telling it in email number 3, add some scarcity. Email number 4, add some urgency. Email number 5, increase both the scarcity and urgency. What is scarcity and urgency? Think about a concert venue. Scarcity is there's a limited number of seats, limited number, lack of. The urgency, though, is there's a date for that concert. If you show up the day after, you're not seeing the concert. So there's urgency in the date. It's going to add sales copy that is going to be giving them scarcity, limited number of, and urgency that you can use to compel them to get on a call with you. Here's the new email. I love it. This PS, don't let the competition steal the show. Schedule your consultation today and give your business the boost it deserves. I hope this has shown you just a small bit of what this can do for you. Again, click the link below. Try this out yourself, and I would love to see a comment of what ideas you had while you're watching this, of what you can do to grow and scale a business. Maybe a digital marketing agency, maybe something different. Drop those comments below. I'd love to hear from you, and I also might do a video on ones that I think are compelling. Peace!